Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. We are starting to disassemble the car to get the front diff out since it has decided to not have any bearing in there. So we are going to drop the front cradle and pull that diff out, and here is my auto trans. Got the diff off of that, and we are going to put the auto diff in there, and we have to change out the rear due to the gears being different from the manual to the automatic. And with the automatic, it is going to allow us to go way faster, so that's what we want. So we'll update you when we get it in. Hey guys, little update here. We got the front cradle down, everything disconnected, and off camera I went ahead and got the front differential out. So we are going to put the new one in, and we will get everything all hooked up. We need to get that put in, get some oil in it, get the drive shaft, and get everything back up in and hooked up, and we will be ready to go for a test drive. And we will see what it does, because these are a different gear ratio of differentials. So the gears in this one, which is the one that we just took out of the car, are shorter. Maybe not shorter, but maybe longer or something. But we put the differential out of my automatic in the back, and we are about to put the front differential in. Has enough traction in that car. He's not behind us anymore. He's behind that car behind us. He was going slow as fuck. Maybe he shouldn't have burned his tires off. And we're doing fucking great, and we have balled back tires.
Four-wheel drive though.
Facts. I love this thing.
This with all four bald tires is still better than this with.
Yeah, Especially this has a lot more weight.
And lower.
Yeah. And handles way better. I think these chassis are definitely some of the best handling chassis that have been made for what they are.
That's why there's the racing class for these is still so big.
Yeah.
She did not look impressed.
Nope. Damn, Cooper almost just fucking hit her, dude.
Really?
Yeah. That's crazy. Like, dude, she like was walking, running, and there's Cooper, and he just, it looked like he just fucking skirted.